Welcome to Kraus, where we create innovation for real life. Although a Kraus sink is being shown, the installation process will apply for most top-quality sink brands. Topmount sinks are easy to install with most countertop material. Sinks with soundproofing technology reduce noise, vibration, and will substantially improve your overall experience. Before making a purchase, first measure your countertop and base cabinet to ensure that they are compatible with the dimensions of your kitchen sink. Tool list. When you are ready to install, make sure that you have the following tools. Please note that specialized tools may be necessary to install Kraus stainless steel top-mount sinks with countertop materials other than wood, marble, or granite. Higher quality top-mount sinks, such as the one shown, come with an integrated male connector and a U-channel rail mounting system. The integrated male connector sink includes this type of hardware. The U-channel rail sinks include this type of hardware. Step 1. Setting and cutting the countertop. Begin step 1 by locating the cutout template. Check that the cutout template is properly sized by aligning it against the actual sink to ensure a proper sized cutout. Next, place the cutout template in the desired location on the countertop. Please make sure there is clearance that is suitable for backsplash, faucet, and plumbing for the sink before proceeding. Trace the previously placed template on the countertop using a pencil. Ensure that all corners and sections of the template are properly traced. Remove the template. Finally, cut the opening in the countertop by carefully following the traced line. Please use the appropriate saw that best fits your countertop material. Cut as required and remove the material. Step 2. Prepping the sink. Next, locate the top mounting hardware and attach the hardware to the U-channel rails. Slide the bolts at each end and make sure that the hooded side of the mounting clip is facing away from the sink, as shown. Simply slide the top mounting hardware into place in the rails until all provided top mounting hardware are placed around the sink. If your sink has the integrated male mounting hardware, you will need to install the integrated male hardware. Simply push the hardware up against the integrated male connector and slide up until it locks into place. Repeat these steps until all hardware is attached and tightly secured. Once all hardware is installed, flip the sink assembly over, clean, and dry the surface around the opening of the sink. Finally, apply a bead of silicone base sealant underneath the edge of the sink along the perimeter of the sink rim. If you are planning on installing a soap dispenser or air gap, then you will have to remove the soap dispenser cap. Locate the bottom of the sink and push the soap dispenser cap out from underneath of the deck of the sink. Remove and discard the cap. Step 3. Installing the sink. Begin step 3 by inserting the sink into the opening in the countertop. Before installing the sink, turn all U-channel rail mounting clips sideways to 90 degrees to ensure clearance when installing. Once all the clips are turned, push the sink assembly down. Check the alignment of the sink to the edge of the counter and press firmly. After the sink is in place, turn the mounting clips back and make sure that the hooded side of the mounting clip is facing away from the sink, as shown. Next, tighten the screws in the front of the sink, followed by the ones on the back and on the sides of the sink using a flathead screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps for the remaining screws. If you install the integrated male connector hardware, tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten all screws until all brackets are tightly secured. With the sink tightened into place, locate the putty knife and remove any excess silicone-based sealant from the perimeter of the sink. Allow the sealant to set for 30 to 60 minutes. After the sealant has been set, connect the drain to the sink and trap to the drain. Connect the water supply connections to the faucet according to the manufacturer's instructions. Before using the sink, run water into the sink and check for any leaks. Congratulations! You have completed your sink installation. This instruction guide was brought to you by Kraus. At Kraus, we are proud to create quality, beautiful products that last a lifetime. We hope you enjoy your new Topmount sink. Kraus. Innovation for real life.